Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we are installing Unity. To do that, let's head up to our favorite web browser and our favorite web search engine. Mine is Google. And we are going to introduce here Unity. We are going to open the first website, unity3d.com. You don't need the /. We are going to say we want Unity, so get Unity probably in your language. Mine is in Portuguese, and we are going to be presented with 3 editions. The one we are going to use is Personal, which is free, but if your studio ends up making more than 200k per year, sorry, per month would be good, per year would also be good. If you do this, you need to upgrade to a Plus license, and then I don't think so if you pass this, you need to upgrade for the Pro license, but I don't think there's a limit to go from free to Plus, but there should be, but you don't need to worry for now. So let's just try Personal, accept the terms. Oh, it's 100k, so yeah, here it is. So let's say we are using Unity free and we make 100k in a year, then we need to pass to the Plus, and then if we turn up making 200k per year, we need to pass to the Pro. So I'm going to download the installer for Windows, and we save. I already have it here, but I'll save it anyway, that's no problem. So we open it, yes, click next, I accept, next, and we are presented with a list of components. These components are installation components that we can install right now or later. So let's dig in each one of them. So the first one is obvious, is the Unity engine, so we need that. The documentation, you just need to download it if you're planning to use Unity without internet connection. But if you plan on having always some kind of internet connection, you can just check the documentation online, as I'm going to do. So if you select this, you'll get the documentation in your computer and you can check it without internet. Standard assets are some assets, like the name says, that are made by Unity, and some things are useful, some things are not that useful for us, but we are definitely installing this because this will speed up the process of creating something visible for our tutorials. The example project is not needed as well, but you can download it to see how things look in a professional manner, and you can also test yourself after the tutorial series if you can manage the example project. You can change things, you can add new things, you can remove things without breaking it up. That's a good test, I believe. And then we have the support for the different build types. Unity is a versatile engine, which means we can create a game, not necessary for a platform, and then we can export that game to any platform we imagine. So here we have some examples. We have Android, iOS, tvOS, which is for smart TVs, I believe from LG, I am not sure, Linux, Mac, Windows Store, Vuforia, which is for augmented reality. We have WebGL, WebGL is for web-based, so browser-based games. And we have Facebook Game Room, which is a new platform from Facebook. We are not going to install these ones right now, but if you feel like you plan on sending your game to Linux, be sure to hit this box right here. But you don't need to install right now. You can just install later when you need it. So let's click next. We say download files, yes, and we choose the location. Let's click next. Well, you click next. I already have it installed, but let me see what they say. Oh, I have already installed and opened, so yeah, there's that. So I'm gonna quit here, but you resume your install. It will download the Unity files and the Unity and the standard assets, and will install everything for you. So let me just close right here so I don't spoil anything. And so you will have this icon right here, Unity 2018 1.8 F1, 64-bit. So let's open that one, and you'll be presented with a window like this one. Probably not this one, because you will have to log in first. So let me just sign out, and you'll be presented with this one. So you just need to sign yourself here, put your account, or sign in with Facebook or Google. If you don't have an account, create one here, create a Unity ID, okay? So I'm going to sign in, and you are presented with your project. You, of course, if you installed right now, you don't have any projects, but that's okay. We can go over here to new. We can give a name, so to tutorial. We can say 3D, but we could also say 2D if we wanted to create a 2D game, but I'll explain the Unity 3D part, but the 2D concepts are pretty much the same, so that's fine. You choose the location, and that's pretty much it for now. So you hit create project. I'm not gonna do that because I already have one here with the same name, so I'm just gonna open this one, but it's exactly the same that you're gonna see. Probably will take longer, don't worry, but this is it. This is Unity. I hope yours is exactly like this. Maybe not in this disposition, but we'll see that in the future. Now I just want to show you how to install Unity, and in the next videos we'll dig deeper in the Unity world and how it works and all that. So thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.